students. Hope you all are well. So today we will going to study a new topic that is soil from chapter number 2, land, water, soil, natural vegetation and wildlife resources. So today we will discuss on a few topics that are meaning of soil, soil profile, factor of soil formation, degradation of soil and conservation measures. So first, let's begin with the meaning of soil. Basically, soil refers to the grainy substance that covers the surface of earth. Soil is made up of organic matters. It is made up of various minerals, weathered rocks found on earth. The correct mixture of minerals and organic matters make the soil fertile. So now move to soil profile. So basically students, soil profile refers to the vertical arrangement of the soil horizon or layers of soil below the earth's surface. So there are four layers of soil, that is topsoil, subsoil, weathered rock material and parent rock, which is also known as bedrock. So first one is topsoil with humus and vegetation. Humus refers to the tiny, thinny layer which consists of decomposition of plants and animal matters. With the help of humus, plants are able to grow on the soil. Next is topsoil. Topsoil refers to the area in which plant roots are grown and it provides a support to the roots. Next is subsoil. Basically, subsoil provides support to the plant drainage system and it consists of all the minerals that are required for plant to grow. Next is weathered rock material. Basically, weathered rock is the rock that is breakdown from the parent rock or bedrock. Parent rock is the raw layer through which the soil has made. Next, move to the factors of soil formation. So basically students, there are 5 factors. First is parent rock, that is also known as the bedrock. Next is the relief. It consists of the condition in which the soil breakdowns or the soil form. Next is flora, fauna and microorganisms. Time and climate. Next is degradation of soil. So basically students, soil degradation refers to the loss of land physical, chemical, biological and ecological qualities due to the natural and human caused disturbances. There are 2 types of degradation of soil. First is soil erosion and the other one is soil depletion. Are the major threats to the soil resources that are caused by human or natural factors. Now let's move to the conservational measures through which you can conserve the fertility of soil and the moisture, the minerals in the soil. So there are total 7 conservation measures. Let's begin with them one by one. First, mulching. It refers to the empty ground or empty space between the plants that is covered with the layer of organic matter like straw that retain the soil moisture. Next is contour barrier. Basically, contour refers to when you want to farm or you want to grow your crops in such a manner that gives a shape or pattern to your farming. So, stones, grass, soil are used to build barriers along contours. Why you want to become barriers? Because barriers are required to retain the moisture, minerals of soil. It enables the water to collect at the boundary of the contour. Now let's move to next conservation measure, that is rock dam. Basically in this, rocks are peeled up to slow down the flow of water through which it prevents the soil loss or it helps in reducing soil erosion. Next is terrace farming. Basically, terrace farming is the pattern of farming in which the farming has done on this not on the plain surface but on the basically on the hilly areas. So broad flat strips or terraces are made on the steep slope so that flat surfaces are available to grow crops. They reduce surface runoff and soil erosion. Next is intercropping. It is also a pattern or a type of farming in which less amount of water is required to grow crops and it also helps in soil from the rain wash. Different crops are grown in the alternative rows and are shown at different times to protect the soil from the rain wash. Next is contour plowing. Basically, contour plowing is parallel to the contour of the hill slope to form a natural barrier for water to flow down the slope. Basically, it means the water is collected at the borders where the land is plowed. Next is shelter belt. Basically, shelter belt is required to slow down the flow of wind or the speed of wind that is coming from one side that may affect the crop. So, in the coastal and dry regions, row of trees are planted to check the wind movement to protect soil covers. As you all have seen in this diagram, here are the crops and here the wind is coming in high speed. The shelter belt is drawn due to which the wind are not able to affect the crops. Okay, students. Now quickly revise the questions and all of you write down these questions in your notebook. So, first question is, which layer of soil contains lot of roots and minerals for growing plants? So, the correct answer is subsoil. The next question is, what is humus made from? So basically, students, as I already have told you, humus is made up of the decomposition of plants and animals matter. So here the correct answer is both the remains of decayed plants and the remains of decayed animals. So the next question is, what is soil profile? So basically, students, soil profile refers to the vertical cross section of soil. Next one is, which layer of soil is on bottom? So as we all have studied that bedrock is in the bottom of the soil layer. Okay. So the last question is, what is soil? As we have discussed, a mixture of rock, mineral, particles and organic matters. Thank you, students. We will further study this topic tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day.